This poem is by Eleanor Farjeon. It's called Cats Sleep Anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do, fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere.